Welcome back to Venture Offroad Australia 4x4 at Corio Bay in Lady Emma, our 18-foot Ultimate 18 trailer sailor. First sail, post-damage, post-repair. So if you watched the last video, you would have seen we put it in a lake just for a quick float test, make sure we didn't take on any water and the repair was good. So that's done, all good, and now we're ready for a sail. I think everyone's got a little bit of nerves given, you know, it's first sail back and it's been 4 months since we've sailed, but should be good. We've got about 10 or 12 knots of wind at the moment on Corio Bay. So let's motor out of here and get into it. There's a few other boats around, a few other trailer sailors. Some really nice sailboats out today. So let's get into some sailing.
Winding down the Keel for the first time since the incident. Got Dynama on there now. In there. Just chilling. Like the villains they are. Chilling like villains.
As I was putting down the keel, the new Dynama rope, it was for some reason wasn't sitting in the sheath. So, but I just going really slowly, put it down so I'm not damaging the rope as we go. And then once it's all the way down, then I was able to put the rope back in the sheath. But unfortunately, in doing that, it's torn off the little nylon and insertion, nylon washer and insertion rubber gasket that I've made on top. But I've still got my one underneath. Seems like it's in place, and there's no water coming in there, which is good. It's, you know, it's not really a concern in terms of the water coming in, it's just an annoyance. But it's time to get the sails up and get some sailing. Feels all new again because it's been a while. I was going to put a reef in the main, but I didn't do that. So I'm going to put the main up.
You want something to loosen? You alright?
I'm not quite sure why that doesn't want to go quite all the way up.
The main halyard, the main sail is just a little bit loose, and I can't work out why it is. Had the same issue when we were up in Moreton Bay. I'll have to investigate that a bit more on land, I think. So yeah, just can't seem to pull up 100% tension on it. I'm not even going to bother removing the fenders today. 3.7 knots. doesn't seem as choppy now.
Nor as windy.
It's interesting.
Yeah, it's just close to shore.
Yeah.
It's definitely a lot flatter.
Yeah.
A couple of bumps.
Oh!
Alright.
What the hell was that?
Gust of wind.
Yeah, we're not. I don't think we're getting a constant breeze at all, are we? Real gusty.
The conditions were less than ideal. Choppy with gusty wind that seemed to constantly change direction. Still, it was good to take Lady Emma for a proper post-repair shakedown sail.
Oh, tell me that's not healing.
It's here.
Jesus Christ.
If you're ready, I'll pull this in. And you have that at the ready range. Alright, round we go. Alright, let that in. Okay, that was nicely done.
Almost what?
Almost like we know what we're doing.
Yeah, that was really good.
Had a good tack. The wind is really sort of, I don't know if it's shifting around or it's just gusty, but it's, yeah, I'm having to keep my hand on the main sheet almost all the time and just let it out, pull it back in again a little bit. Look at all those people hanging over the side. Still here.
All in all, a good day out on the water, regaining our confidence.
Bit of a treat as we sit here. We've had lunch just off the beach at Geelong. It's become a bit of a favourite spot for us. Have a bit of a relax.
Treated to a bit of an air show.
Oh my God!
Next time on Venture Off-Road Australia 4x4, I leave the 80 at camp and hit the tracks with a mate in his 79.
Look who's driving the farm truck.
From Land Cruiser to Land Cruiser. This one's just going to be more power than you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.